Unit 1, Chapter 4, Subject Name Soil and Water Conservation Engineering. Hello, learners. Contouring, plowing and planting across slope contour create man-made water breaks that not only allows enough time for the water to enter the soil but also to settle the topsoil without washing it down the slope. What is contour farming? Contour cultivation, contour farming, contour plowing, or contour bunding is a sustainable way of farming where farmers plant crops across or perpendicular to slopes to follow the contour of a slope of a field. This arrangement of plants breaks up the flow of water and makes it harder for soil erosion to occur. How does contour farming work? On slopes with no contours, water run off quickly without the soil properly observing it and carrying the top fertile soil with it. Therefore, leaving a non fertile land up the slope. Plowing and planting across slope contour create man-made water breaks that not only allows enough time for the water to enter the soil but also to settle at topsoil. Contour farming also create water breaks that reduce the formation of gullies and rills when a place experiences heavy rains and water runoff, which is the leading cause of soil erosion. For contour farming to be effective, the resulting curved furrows around the slope ought to be on equal levels. Benefit of contour flowing. First, contour farming maintain soil fertility by preventing downwash of the fertile topsoil of a farm and consequently enabling better yields. When done right, this method reduces erosion by more than 50%. With the reduced loss of fertility comes the reduced use of fertilizer and a reduced cost of purchasing fertilizer. In most cases, rainwater washes farming fertilizer downstream and consequently contaminating fresh water system. Secondly, contour plowing increase the soil water retention ability to ensure that enough water soaks into the soil for good health of the plants. Furthermore, water retention improves soil quality, irrigation, and water conservation, thus reducing labor that would have gone into physical fetching of water. Other benefits are and time efficiency and reduced use of machine, which is turn reduce the wear and tear. Thank you.